So hi everyone, I'm Nabil Architect and I'm back with another amazing video. So in this video we are going to learn about Excel software, how to combine text from two cells. So we are here in Excel software, and I add some text here, Nabil, and here are architect. Okay. If you want to this text combine from one cell, so I put some is equals to and select this cell and press and select this cell and press enter. As you can see, the two cells text combined to one cell. So this is how you can combine text from two cells to one cell in Microsoft Excel. So keep supporting, subscribe my channel.